Hi guys, it's Gordana. I'm community manager at Collabwriting, and I think it would be interesting to show you how I use the tool daily. So let's get started. Collabwriting is a simple browser extension that allows you to save information from websites or PDFs easily. You just highlight, save, and share with anyone you want. As you can see in the pricing, there are three options: free, personal, pro, and team version. But let's start. If I'm researching something, let's say on the topic of goal setting, I will go to the page where the article is located and open the extension. As you can see, these are all my topics that I have collected and saved in the tool. Now, if I want to create a new topic, I will click on the plus button in the extension. Now I can start collecting information. I will highlight and click Create. Let's highlight and save another one. But if I want to add a title to a snippet, I'm going to copy one from a web page, then I'm going to click on three dots and add title. Of course, you can add your own title or use snippet title suggestions. Another thing you may not know is that you can also copy an image and paste it into a comment. This certainly looks better. If I want to share my research with someone, I can do it in two ways: by copying the link at the bottom of the extension, where I can also choose the access level to assign someone. If I choose the option anyone with a link, I can also select whether that person will be a viewer, editor, or commenter. Additionally, I can add people via their email addresses, where I can also assign specific permissions. For example, I will enter my colleague's email address. Okay. Now I see that I didn't remember it correctly, but never mind, this was just an example I wanted to demonstrate to you. Okay, now let's move to the second article. This is a blog I wrote, which you can find on our website, where I provided a lot of useful information on how to organize your knowledge effectively. So I opened the extension again, but now it shows the topic I last created. To create a new one, I click the plus button again. Here I will also highlight some parts of the text and save them in the extension. Then I will add a title by copying it from the blog. If I want to delete snippets, this is a shortcut that makes it easier to delete multiple snippets at once. On the keyboard, I will click Shift and then I will select the snippets I want to delete. Just be careful, because once deleted, snippets cannot be recovered. Let's move to the dashboard. At the bottom of the extension, next to the link, there is a button that takes us to the dashboard. I will click on it. As you can see, there are no snippets because I just deleted them. On the left side are all my topics that I have created in the past 2 years. And there is the topic I just created. Now, if I want to use these snippets outside the tool, I will open my Google Docs, then the extension, and look for the topic I want to work on. Once I have selected it, with a click, I will drag and drop the snippets into my documents. That's all from me. I hope it was useful. See you soon. Bye!